Welcome! In today's video, I'll show you how to edit your page bio on the Facebook app for PC following the latest update. Whether you want to refresh your bio with new details or just fix the typo, this quick guide will walk you through every step. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in to the account that manages your page. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Click on it. This is your shortcut to all your profile and page options. After clicking your profile photo, you'll see a list of the pages you manage. Find the page you want to update and click on it. This will take you directly to your page's main profile. Now that you're on your page, look for the Edit Bio button. It's usually located right under your page's name and profile picture. Click on Edit Bio to open the editing window. Here's where you can make your changes. Whether you want to add a catchy slogan, update your business hours, or share something new about your brand, just type it in the bio field. Take a moment to review your changes and make sure everything looks perfect. Once you're happy with your new bio, look for the Save button, usually at the bottom of the editing window. Click Save to update your page bio instantly. Your new bio will now be visible to anyone who visits your page. And that's it. Editing your page bio on the Facebook app for PC is now easier than ever with the new update. Keeping your bio fresh and up to date helps your audience know exactly who you are and what you offer. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials on the latest social media updates. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.